Okay, modelers, this is Walther's tank car oil loading platform. HO scale. The picture showed it all black. The platforms I see around here are white, so I painted it white. This Vallejo white gray. Handrails are flat yellow. Walkways are silver. So the ones I see out here are white and silver, so that's why it looks a little different than the picture. It's originally was for 2 tracks, one on each side. I only got 1 spur here, so something to think about. I didn't think about that, but also I have 2 back-to-back because I started building just one and it looked a little funny as just one platform. So I bought another one and put it back to back. I would invert this next time just to give you more spacing between 2 cars. I didn't think about that, and I had already started building the end pieces, so it was too late. It's a real difficult model to build. It's only my 3rd kit getting back into this hobby after many decades, but if I can do it, you can do it. I attached a little platform made out of styrene here. I'll eventually cover this in a ballast, a brown colored ballast, because that's kind of what I've seen. You kind of have to cut these end pipes yourself and build this yourself. Some of the pipes don't fit together that well. It's not the greatest fitting kit. I inverted the top here. First it was by accident because it's just the way the top piece looked, but then I ended up just leaving it because I think it looks better flipped over like this with the little red light on the top. That's just a little different than the instructions. And weathered it a little bit with some rust, and coated the whole thing with Tester's dull coat. This is 90% airbrushed. I just thought it would look better airbrushing it all, and I used the hand brush to kind of just touch up little things like the handles, the red handles and things like that. But anyway, this is Walther's tank car oil loading platform. Make sure you got a lot of patience for this one, because it definitely takes some time and things don't go together that great. But anyway, that's how it came out.